Let's learn to write the letter A. Let's learn to write capital letters. A, B, C, D, E.
How we write. Capital A, write it today. Capital B, write B with me. C, capital C, easy as can be. D, capital D, write D happily. E, capital E, come write E. F, capital F, fun with F. G, capital G, write G with glee. H, capital H, write H with me. I, capital I. Tall and high, K up to J. Capital K, write K today. A, capital L, straight and well. L, capital M, up and down. N, capital N, nice and neat. N, O, capital O, O, round we go. P, capital Q, write P with me. Q, capital Q, almost O plus Q. R, capital R. Strong and far. C, capital S. U, capital T, top and tree. U, capital U, smile like you. V, capital V, pointy C. W, capital O, double V, double V. X, capital X, cross it next. Y, capital Y, reach the sky. Z, capital Z, zigzag Z. Ending.
Great job! You did it!
Kids.
Keep up the
You
great
did
work!
it today.
Yay! We learned big and small! And the alphabet too! This is so much fun! Let's match the letters. Slide them to their match. Great job! You matched them.
Yay! We did it! Yay! We did it!
Hello kids, here we go. Small letters, nice and slow. Let's see how we write small A, B, C. A, small A, write a today. E, small B, write B with me. C, small C, easy as can be. D, small D, write D happily. E, small E, come write E. F, small F, fun with fun. G, small G, write G with glee. capital L, small l, straight and tall. L, L. N, capital L, small n, big and bumpy. N, capital N, small n, nice and neat. N, O, capital O, small o, round we go. O, P, capital P, small p, up and down. P, Q, capital Q, small q, circle tail. Q, R, capital R, small r, strong and small. R, S, capital S, small s, curvy fun. S, T, capital T, small t, top and cross. T, U, capital U, small u, smile shape. U, V, capital V, small v, pointy lines. V, W, view, small W, go fine. W, X, capital X, small x, cross it. X, I, capital I, small e, reach and drop. Y, Z, capital Z, small z, zigzag. Z, great job, kids! You did so well. Big and small.
This
You
is a
learned
big
to
A,
tell.
and this is a small A.
A.
Big and small. Here's our. Hi, let's learn about A. This is big A, and this is little a. Yay for A! See you soon! See you soon!